In today's video, I am going to teach you how to blog on Squarespace 7.1. We are going to walk through the process of creating a blog and opening your first blog post draft inside Squarespace 7.1. This is a simple setup, and once you know where the right menu options are, it becomes very easy to manage. Start from your Squarespace dashboard. From the main menu, go to Website and then select Pages. This is where you control the structure of your site, including your navigation and any collection pages like blogs. Once you are inside Pages, look for the plus icon next to either Main Navigation or Not Linked. Main Navigation will place your blog directly in your site menu, so visitors can easily find it. Not Linked will create the blog without showing it in your main navigation, which can be useful if you want to prepare it before making it public. Choose the location that works best for your site. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will open with different page types and options. Under the Collections section, select Blog. In Squarespace 7.1, a blog is treated as a collection, which means it can hold multiple posts and automatically organize them on a single landing page. Next, choose your preferred starting layout grid. This controls how your blog landing page will look at the beginning. Pick the style that best matches the overall design of your website. You can also type a name for your blog landing page at this stage. A simple title like blog or something more branded like insights works well depending on the tone of your site. Once the blog page has been created, you will see its subpanel open. This is where all of your future blog entries will live. To create your first post, click the plus icon in the top right corner of that blog subpanel. This opens a brand new blank entry draft. At this point, your draft is ready for you to start writing. Even if you are not publishing right away, creating the draft now is a great way to begin organizing your content and building out your blog properly from the start. That covers everything you need to know.